Hey YouTubers, so we've got a Mercedes SLK200, the little compressor, and we're going to be changing the coolant in it. Hope you enjoy the video. So I've put the heater in the hot position, run it up, it's not too hot. Now hopefully if we can just undo the bolts on the front lower panel, they look like 10 mils, get those undone, take off this panel here, we should have access to the lower radiator hose. See how we get on. Okay, that's 8 of these I've taken out, little 8 mil, 8 of them. And hopefully now we'll push this out. So there's the bottom hose. Let's have a little look, just in case we can see a drain valve somewhere, which I don't see one, unfortunately. Nothing that appears kind of easily accessible. What we got up here? No. Right, so what I'll do with this, I'll get a little hook in there, pop that down, pull this hose off and drain the coolant. With 2 hands, it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully I won't get a shower. I've got some mopping up to do. Not very clever. So I'll let that drain out now. Right, that looks like it's drained out. Giving the floor a little mop. Make sure the other seals are intact. A little fluid around it. Keep the place now, which is good. I'm not going to put this on yet, not until I've put the new fluid in it and run it up to temperature. So I've got my usual setup, this connects to the shop air. Spin it around so we can read what it's telling us for the vacuum. Ooh. to the top of the coolant tank. And we've got 0 on there at the minute, so we need to open the valve, create a vacuum. Let's come back when that's got vacuuming. So as you can see, as it's drawing the vacuum, squeezing all the pipe work. I don't remember if I said, but the heater was in hot before I took the coolant out, because that then just opens up the heater matrix as well. So I pulled down a pretty good vacuum, so I'll leave it doing this for about 20 minutes before we start filling. Right, so it's had about 20 minutes and it's not moved. Sorry about the background noise. They do, I think it's flamenco lessons or something like that. So I'll open up the valve. We can start filling the coolant. Not that valve. Let's try the other valve. There we go. Now, as I was saying in all my videos, don't let this hose come out of the coolant. So don't let your coolant level drop, otherwise it's going to be sucking air in. Right, let that do its thing for a few minutes and then we'll come back, see how it's got on. Yeah, don't mind what it says on this container there, I'll just use it for doing these. Yeah, that's almost at 0. And as you can see now, the pipes, oops, I think we're full. The pipes themselves aren't compressed anymore. Yes, that's full. Take the air off it. I've been quite a messy pup today, or mucky pup. Seem to be making a lot of mess today. Just drain it out there. Right, so now it's full. We will need to adjust it once it's run up to temperature. See if it'll let me start it without, oh, I might get in it actually. Is there room? Yep, we got room. God. Bit Jeremy Clark's struggles getting this thing. All right, let's start it up. And we're going to want on high. I just want that on 1. I'll run it for a little while until we start getting some hot air out of it. So just about 80 degrees now. What we get coming out of the heater, 65.5 degrees. Right, up to normal operating temperature, and coming out of there we have 67. Yeah, it's still going up, so that's pretty good. Easy job. Let it cool down and then check the fluid coolant level. But nice, easy, straightforward job. While it's cooling down, just give it a little visual. Make sure you haven't got any leaks. Oh, looks good. So get the bottom panel on now. That's straightforward enough. The opposite to installing it. That's a short video on how I drain and replace the coolant, and this particular one was a SLK200 compressor. I think it's the R170 version. Pretty straightforward job. Yeah, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.